Taking a look at getting affiliate links for items on the Bass Pro Shop site. Of course, it's not just about fishing, it's also about boating, shooting, hunting, camping, men, women, and kids apparel, as well as outdoor rec. You can see here lots of different products to include something like coolers, again, that don't just apply to fishing, boating, shooting, and hunting. Or what if you were to do a search for flashlights and take a look at all the different products they have here, or all the different types of flashlights, and then think, even before joining the affiliate program, which you do that just by simply going to bassproshops.com, scrolling down to the bottom, clicking on the affiliate program link. Then you see here the Bass Pro Shops affiliate program. You are invited. Do you have a website? Do you want to help others have fun in the outdoors? If so, we invite you to be one of our internet affiliates. Join now with Impact. You simply click that button. It takes you over to sign up. You can see here it says 5 minutes to complete. Click sign up. Then you have to agree to the Bass Pro Shop contract terms. You can see an online sale generates between 1 and 3% commissions. They do have a list here. Item category is gift card. You earn 0% on that. Item category is guns, 1%. Item category is ammunition, 2%. All other, 3% of the items. Of course, understand the schedule and the fact that the way they do it is you get locked in after 1 month once people click and make a purchase, and then you get paid 3 months after the lock. And you can see here the payout schedule, approved transactions. That means if someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, it goes through, all is good, it's not refunded. It's 1 month after the end of the month lock. The referral window or cookies right here is 14 days from the time someone clicks, and it is last click. So if someone checks out a piece of content from you and they click and your link is the last one they click, then you will earn the commission. Make sure you understand the general terms and all the conditions that apply. Do your due diligence by reading all of this information, and then scroll down and simply click accept. You'll see here you can sign up and start earning. You can sign up with your email, Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn account here using any of these buttons. Or if you have an impact.com account, you can simply click sign in with impact.com. Here you see the login page for impact.com. If you've never heard of impact.com, simply head over to the homepage for 30-Minute Marketing YouTube channel. Type in Impact Radius here in the search bar, hit search. Then be sure to check out this video, You plus Big Brands equal Impact Radius Affiliate Program tutorial, and check out the details here for exactly what Impact Radius is and how the affiliate program works. Then you can head back to impact.com login, and you can log in, and then you can see that you can review the Bass Pro Shops insertion order. This is just the contract between you and Bass Pro Shops as an affiliate and them as the vendor for the products. You can decline the contract, or you can say, I approve the contract and want to continue. You'll then see your application is pending review. But when it does get approved, you can see here, for example, I have the Walmart affiliate program, and I also have the InVideo program. These are two programs that I have access to inside of Impact. You can see that you can create your link right here by simply clicking on InVideo or Walmart affiliate program. When Bass Pro gets approved, or when you're approved for Bass Pro, you'll see that show up, and you simply select create. Then you'll see it says generated, and this is your affiliate link. Again, this is an example for Walmart. I'm currently not approved yet for Bass Pro in this demonstration video. But let's go back to this idea of promoting flashlights or products that aren't for people interested in fishing, boating, shooting, hunting, or camping as a Bass Pro affiliate. And to do that, we'll head over to ChatGPT and we'll ask ChatGPT to brainstorm some possible avatars. That's the people that are looking for flashlights, and give me a list of content ideas for each avatar and why they would need a flashlight. Sure, here's a list of potential avatars or personas, or again, people who might be looking for flashlights, along with content ideas tailored to each. It starts off with probably what is the obvious, camper or hiker, but then there's also homeowner. Notice how ChatGPT is breaking this down for us, giving us content ideas as well as why they need a flashlight. For example, homeowners. The essential flashlight every home should have. Why every homeowner needs a reliable flashlight. Flashlight versus candles, the safer choice during power outages. Why they need a flashlight. Homeowners need a flashlight for power outages, home repairs, and general safety. Mechanic, handyman, security personnel, caver, spelunker, nighttime runner, jogger, fisherman, emergency responder. Again, breaking down content ideas and why they need a flashlight, letting you know that each one of these avatars or each one of these groups of people have unique needs and situations where a flashlight becomes an essential tool. Tailoring your content to these specific needs can help you target and engage the desired audience more effectively. That means creating content for all of these people or a group of these people that would be interested in purchasing through your affiliate link for one of these awesome flashlights that you are now going to be an affiliate for over at Bass Pro Shops. Again, thinking outside of the box of fishing, boating, shooting, hunting, and camping. And then going back again to outdoor rec and thinking, okay, what about coolers? Now, when you go over to coolers, you're going to see lots of different results here. Of course, these are primarily aimed at people that are interested in outdoor activity. But again, we go back to ChatGPT and we do a little more brainstorming and we say, now brainstorm possible avatars that would be looking for coolers and give me a list of content ideas for each avatar and why they need a cooler. Again, ChatGPT is certainly going to give us a list of potential avatars or personas or people who might be looking for coolers. Here we have beachgoers, and again, we have campers, hikers, but we also have an interesting one here, thinking outside of the box. Tailgater and sports fans, the best coolers for game day, tailgating essentials, why every sports fan needs a high capacity cooler, coolers with wheels, the MVP of tailgating gear, and why would they need a cooler? For keeping their drinks cold during games, storing barbecue items, and making the tailgate experience more enjoyable. Again, we have fisherman, road tripper or traveler, backyard barbecue host, boater, kayaker, outdoor event organizer might be one that you overlooked or didn't think about. But again, that's the power of using the AI and ChatGPT to assist us in thinking outside of fishing, boating, hunting, camping, and thinking how we can best if we choose to be an affiliate for the products over at Bass Pro Shops. Hopefully this video gave you everything you need to know. If not, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.